everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So I have a Malibu 2.0 over here. I got her recently and I did an unboxing of her in a Dolly Mail video. I ordered her on a Takara body already, and so that way I will have one Malibu on a Takara body and I will have one Malibu on a jointed body, because I'm going to take this body off that I originally, so this is Malibu 1. We have Malibu 1, Malibu 2. Malibu 1 originally came on this body, and I switched her out and put her on a Takara body, but it's not a great body, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. It's not as, the coloring isn't as uniform as I'd like it to be. So I'm taking her jewelry off that her friend Terry at Tapping Flamingo made for her. Let me do that first. There we go. And set that over there. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see I switched it out, but I had a hard time closing up the head. And I don't know if that was something to do with me or the body or the head or what. I struggle with my hands. Sometimes I just don't have a lot of strength in them because I have arthritis, so there's that. But let me put her hair away, or up and away, and we'll switch her out again real quick. Hopefully it'll be real quick. Oops, I lost a shoe. Let me get her shoes off. All right. Got her cracked open on this side. Oh. Yay. Alright, so Malibu 1 is on her old bod. Yay. Obviously I need to get her some clothes now, but I just wanted to show you both these dolls together and do a comparison of the previous body that I had on her. And you can see there's a big difference here between the color of the top and the bottom. And this doll, which I ordered with this particular body on her already, I had to ask the person to do that because it's hard to find them in these type of bodies anymore. Most of the fake dolls come with the jointed bodies these days. So, but you can see the body's a much better quality as far as skin tone goes. It's not just, you know, it's all the same color. And I think this color actually, you can see like these arms are darker, these legs are darker. When I had bought this body, it wasn't intended for her anyway. It was just like an extra one I had when I was selling stuff in my shop. And so, yeah, so I'm glad I went ahead and switched the bods back. I will put this back in my box of bodies. Sounds weird, huh? All right, so now I have both these girls. Now both of these girls need to have some clothes, obviously, but we're going to do that in another video. I'll do a dress-up dolly video with Malibu 1 and Malibu 2. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications so you find out about this next video with these dolls. And always appreciate a thumbs up. Have a wonderful dolly day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.